Just picked up my motorcycle dolly from Princess Auto. Oh, it's pretty heavy. Okay, just let me get a knife and I'll open it up. Oh, there it is. Alright, so it's supposed to hold about 1,100 pounds, so we'll see how it goes. Some scratches here. It's a little dirty, but we'll see. We'll see. Okay. Two with brakes. Okay, so I'm just gonna finish up putting all the wheels on. Okay, so just tighten it up. Grab a 17mm socket. Grab an Allen wrench. Stick it in there somehow. One sec. Just do the same for the other wheels, okay? This arm here, put it on top. Okay, so you can notice that one of the bolts is longer than the other one. Okay, so mine's a sports bike, so I'm gonna have to, I'll try the shortest one. So it's pretty sturdy, but I wish they had more bolts. Okay, these are 14mm. Okay. There's no lock on this, which is too bad. Grab the 17. Wrench. Okay, so let's see how easily it slides around. Pretty easily. Pretty good. Okay, let's see how the locks works. I'm not sure about the locks. Looks like it might snap off. But it's not moving. That's the main thing. Alright. Okay, so this is a Yamaha R6 2015. So let's see how it's gonna work out. Kind of like that. Okay, so I'm gonna lock this. I wish I had a lock on this one, but whoa, move up a little bit more. And yep. Put that in like that. That's it. Okay, so let's see how easy I can move this bike around. Mind you, this is a very light bike. You know, you might have a lot more problem with if you have a heavier bike. All right. Oh yeah. brakes are off. Let's see how easy I can move this around. Oh. 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 It's not tilt over or what? I don't know. Oh, okay. Better if you stretch this out more. Okay, the one of the problems I'm noticing right now is that the arm here seems to move very easily. So if I try to move it right sideways, now, well, see how the kickstand moves? Okay. Just gonna have to be very careful about that. Okay, let's try it in the corner. Whoa, 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 whoa. Like that. And let's push it over. Lock it. It's okay. Usually takes me a lot longer to put it in the corner like that, like right against the wall. But that saved me some time, which is basically what I wanted. Okay, now let's see how easy it is to take it off this dolly. Over. Lock it. Oh, make sure you put a kickstand up. Oh. Okay. Just gotta come out straight back. That seems to be a problem. Looks like the ramp is a little too high. Maybe put something there later. Maybe just hold your feet on there like this. Oh shit! Yeah, see, I wish I had locked it. There you go. Okay, so it looks like it's getting easier and easier the more you do it. Whoa, whoa. Forgot to take the brake off. I think it's best to put it in gear when you put it on there. You know, just holding the clutch, because if it's in neutral, you know, it slides around a bit too much. Okay, and you don't want the kickstand from going underneath you. Okay, so I'm gonna try a different way of getting the bike off this dolly. Oh, so just grab it by the passenger peg. That makes it a lot easier. this time. Instead of going back, let's go forward. So just put it up like that. Over. Get the kickstand plate out of the way. Just go forward. Okay, so my initial thought is that it definitely needs a locking casket here. I wish all the wheels came with the locking. And the ramp for the base plate is a little too high. Okay, if this was a little bit lower, it would make things a lot easier. It's a little slippery, so I might have to put a rubber mat or something. Today was just the first day, a quick little tryout. And I guess the more I keep using it, we'll see how good it actually is. Okay, see you later.